Hello traders, we're back with one more setup. This is USDCHF this time. So before we talk about it, let's check the date and the time right here. So refresh it, and currently it is 2:37 a.m. Tuesday 19th of May 2026 in EST. Coming back to the chart right here. So we are in the uptrend. First of all, 4-hour time frame, okay? So the down move is over. We are currently in the uptrend as long this previous low holds. As long this doesn't break, we are in the uptrend, okay, for now. And rejection from the EMA, and then couple of red candles, couple of blue candles, we should go up as per the previous significant high. So this black line is my TP 7910. So we enter at the current price at 7854 or 55 and exit at 7910. So that will give us how many pips? 100 and not 100 and but maybe 60 pips, 55 pips, okay? So yes, 55 pips. So in this trade USD CHF, we are going to probably make 55 pips until 7910. So once that happens, once we touch the black line, the price, I'll get back and record the video. Till then, see you again. Alright guys, we're back with our take profit video. So let's check the date and the time first. And coming here, refreshing it, currently it is 5:04 a.m. Wednesday 20th of May 2026 in EST. Coming back to the chart now. Okay, so I think I told you to exit to where? Here somewhere, okay? Maybe below that. So let me drag. So I think we were supposed to exit somewhere here. I already have booked my profits. I am out at this price around 7904, okay? So I already have taken my profits, and if anybody is watching this video in USDCHF, you are still long, you could enter, you could exit right now, okay? Because it might go down. So you can exit. And when did we enter? Let's check our this thing called screenshot. So USD CHF right here, we entered at 7857 and we exited at 7886 yesterday, and then I re-entered, okay? So after this trade, I re-entered this morning in my country, okay? Like I re-entered maybe many hours ago, 8 hours ago, okay? Anyways, the point being is I have taken this USD CHF in two parts. First part was 7857 until 7886, and then I slept, and then I woke up in my bed, and then I re-entered at the same price, and then we are out at this current price, okay? So technically I booked the whole move, and entry was where? Entry was right here on this candle, okay? So entry was right here, and the profits were booked right here in two parts, okay? Anyway, so we have made, I guess, 47 pips in this one, right? Cool, yeah. So we made 47 pips in USD CHF, and this is when the move is already happened, okay? So if you want these moves or the setups before they start, because this video you're watching, it's fine, but it's gone. The move is gone, okay? So if you want to enter with me and exit with me and take live trades and take these setups before time, then join the program. The first link below this YouTube video, or maybe you're on the sales page or in my Telegram, wherever you are, join the program. That's the only way you can help yourself, okay? So we'll see you again, all right? Take care.